grounded rather to be covered, especially from Marumo Gallants' position. But once they do have the ball, they tend to have a little bit of speed going forward, trying to manipulate the spaces that Orlando Pirates might leave behind.
Oh, Makhehleni Makhaula and Ibrahim Banze already want to come face to face. Veteran Makhaula feeling like he received a very unnecessary foul. This is going to continue throughout the game. Extremely late.
Yeah, extremely late there. Because maybe realizing as well that
10 clean sheets at the halfway mark in 1999, meaning that he could serve his suspension in the game against TTM.
Also looking at the fixtures ahead for Orlando Pirates, it's going to be very important.
Oh, many have made
believes that anything that just bounces and inside the box there, he will try and fight for it, and that's his attitude as well. Same as him and Makhopa, that's the attributes that they have.
Skosana, Sitole. Tajela. Pressure being applied by the Zambian Emmanuel Mwinde.
Players inside the box, but yet you find them fooking inside the box there alone. It shows the difficulties that the Marumo Gallants have in terms of defending.
And Tajela leaving it for Maswangani. Away from Motladisa brilliantly. Now was on the move and played Makhaula. That's a lovely return ball to the fullback. Took a while to sort his feet out. This is Batuma. They actually haven't done all too badly in the game. Today they are up against Marumo Gallants. So they actually, when facing Sundowns in any match that comes,
have overloads on the side because they don't have natural wingers. They're always inside. So have, pinned down Van Rooyen, pinned down Ndaba on the other side.
This is a side that are very low on confidence at the moment. 5 successive defeats, starting with the cup. Well, the theory that perhaps Pirates will be looking ahead when they got such a big game like the Sundowns game on the horizon doesn't really ring true. Speaking of it earlier, they haven't lost. Anikwa looking to play the ball over the top and off the head of Makhaula. There's Mufokeng. Just can't control. Finds it. Makhaula makes the block. I'm sure he's been itching to get stuck in on Banse since Mamelodi Sundowns this season have gained more points at home than Orlando Pirates. It off, but the fact that he's up now, even if he can't continue, is encouraging. Makhaula gets his head on that. Did look like a dangerous ball in, but Pirates are the only side in the Betway Premiership wins.
It's important to dominate your home ground, and by also getting important points, and that also helps you because then you're not shy to go away to collect points. You're not shy because you know that
Makhaula. Van Rooyen. Mufokeng. Muremi. Makhaula. We're talking about the record at home and how good it's been in the 6. Sipombule now into the park.
So whenever he gets those 1v1 situations, it's
A defeat earlier this season to Bahlabaniban twice, the only time that they have dropped points against a team currently in the bottom 5. At home, they've won 4 out of 4.
really that's in this time of the game. Nani there over carrying the ball, allowed to Marumo Gallants to come back and form that defensive line.
It took him 2 run outs in this first match of 2026 against TS Galaxy. Here is Marigo. Makhaula, what a shift he's put in today. But then again, when can you can't often look back at Makhaula game and say he hasn't put in a shift.
Yeah, of course, I was about to say that he always puts in a shift. He's a player that you can rely on in that midfield. Even though when things are difficult, you'll find him there. When things are easy,